Allah has written down, I shall certainly prevail. I and my messengers. Surely Allah is strong, mighty. Thou wilt not find a people who believe in Allah and the latter day, loving those who oppose Allah and His Messenger, even though they be their fathers, or their sons, or their brothers, or their kinfolk. These are they into whose hearts we He has impressed faith and strengthened them with a spirit from Himself, and He will cause them to enter gardens wherein flow rivers abiding therein. Allah is well pleased with them, and they are well pleased with Him. These are Allah's party. Now surely it is Allah's party who are successful. Yeah.